For today our material is about, what is it guys? Hari ini materi kita adalah, what is it? Impact of, right? So, the impact of technology on education. It's not edu, right? But education, right? Together after me guys. Impact of. Great. Okay, technology. Alright, great. On education. Education. Alright, artinya adalah dampak. Oh ini kok dampak sih? Dampak ya. Dampak teknologi guys. What is it? Pada pendidikan. Right. Teknologi pada pendidikan. Oke, langsung aja bawahnya guys. Technology has profoundly transformed the landscape. The landscape of education. Okay, in recent years. Oke, teknologi has profoundly itu secara mendalam. Mendalam apa? Transform, berubah secara mendalam. Guys, if mendalamnya itu secara konsep profound, right? Kalau secara nyata apa? Secara harfiah. Deep, dalam deep, ya kan? Tapi kalau profound itu untuk yang secara konsep aja. I can understand it profoundly, no problem, it's okay. Alright. Deeply itu bebas untuk semuanya sih, tapi kalau profound untuk konsep aja, for the abstract things, alright? Understand what I mean? Gitu. Profoundly transformed the landscape. Teknologi telah secara mendalam mengubah lanskap. Lanskap is lingkungan, guys. Lanskap. For example, like this. If I say about landscape, oh, this is landscape. Everything is landscape. But this is my view. This is not my view. But everything is landscape. Lanskap itu semuanya, lingkungan semuanya, tapi bukan view ya, view itu pandangan. Kalau umpamanya kasusnya kayak saya gini, right, view saya ya ini aja, ini bukan view saya, nggak kelihatan soalnya. Ketika saya segini berarti view-nya ke sini, ya gitu guys ya. Lanskap itu lebih luas daripada view. Alright, gampangnya begitu. Landscape of education berarti lingkungan pendidikan in recent years, dalam beberapa tahun belakangan ini, right? Okay, lanjut dulu. Firstly, it has facilitated access to a wealth of information through the internet. Alright, guys. Okay, if you use American accent, guys, you can say internet. It's okay. N plus T, you can delete the T sound. Internet jadi internet bisa. Interview jadi interview. Internasional. International, right? Toronto jadi Toronto, no problem. Winter jadi winner juga bisa, no problem. That's American style. I use American style. If you say British, perhaps you can say internet, inter, not R, internet. Yeah, but it's okay. If you want to say internet, it's okay. That's Indonesian accent. Yeah, no problem. Pertama-tama, firstly, what is it, guys? Pertama-tama, kalau kedua kalinya, berarti secondly, ketiga kalinya, thirdly, easy, right? It has facilitated teknologi, it-nya balik ke teknologi, right? Teknologi telah memfasilitasi access to a wealth. Wealth itu saking banyaknya ya, kekayaan, ya. Kalau kaya biasa aja, rich. Kalau lebih kaya lagi ada wealth. Kekayaan information, kekayaan informasi through the internet. Melalui, what is it? Internet. Pertama, teknologi telah memfasilitasi akses ke kekayaan informasi melalui internet dari teknologi itu. Alright, wealth of information, access to wealth of information through the internet. Kalau benar bahasa Inggrisnya apa guys? Benar. Benar, true, right? True. Kalau melalui, through, through. Through and true are different, right? Through, melalui. Benar? True. True. Tiga apa tiga? Three. Bukan tree ya. Kalau tree itu tree, pohon. What is it? Pohon ini Japan apa? Sakura. Yeah. Tree. Yeah, sakura tree, right? Not 1, 2, 3. No. Three, not three, right? 1, 2, 3. Alright, 3, not pohon. Yes, itu pokoknya ya. Lanjut. Continue. Go on. Students can now explore diverse subjects and resources at their fingertips. Students itu apa guys? Murid-murid ya, siswa-siswa can now sekarang bisa explore, menjelajahi diverse itu beragam ya, beragam kayak contohnya keberagaman persatuan dalam keberagaman Unity in diversity, right? Diversity, unity in diversity. Bahasa Majapahitnya apa? Bahasa Majapahit, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. Bahasa Indonesianya berbeda-beda tetapi tetap satu. Bahasa Inggrisnya unity in diversity. Bahasa Jepangnya different but to be one. What is it? We are different. You are from Japan, I'm from Indonesia, but we are one. We can be a friend. What is it in Japan? Yeah. Apa dia bilang? Like Naruto, Sasuke, Sakura, different but can be team. Yes. Nakama. Yes, nakama. Yes, nakama. Itu di One Piece, nakama, ya kan? Iya, I like One Piece so much, tapi saya lupa nakama. Iya, benar. Nakama. Salamin buat Luffy ya. Kalau pulang ya, Luffy. Say my hello to Luffy and Zoro. I like them so much. Yeah. Alright, Zoro and Mihawk. Student can now explore the diverse subject, ya. Siswa sekarang dapat menjelajahi berbagai subjek and resources. What is it? Sumber, alright? At their fingertips. Fingertips berarti kan di ujung jari. We can find anything in our fingertips, yeah, using our phone and our internet. Yes, gitu maksudnya ya. Right now you can learn from YouTube. Kalau dulu kan nggak bisa kita belajar dari HP, ya kan? Sekarang mau nyari apa tinggal cepet, ya kan? Yeah, it's good guys. Okay, additionally, additionally, online learning platforms have emerged, enabling flexible education. Additionally itu selain itu, guys, we can use additionally, we can use and then, blah blah blah. Additionally, we can use moreover, we can use furthermore, ya. Selain itu dan lebih lagi tambahannya gitu ya. Online learning platform pembelajaran online, right? Apa kebalikan dari offline? What's the offline and online? Kalau online kan daring ya. Kalau offline apa? Luring, luar jaringan. Kalau daring itu dalam jaringan, right? Learning platform pembelajaran daring have emerged. Setelah muncul. If we say about emerge guys, itu munculnya pelan-pelan dia. Semakin berkembang. Tapi kalau awal mula kemunculan dia itu bahasanya advance, ya. The advance of AI, for example, the advance of internet. Ya, episode 1 lah ya, advance ya, episode 1. Tapi kalau kita ngomonginnya GPT 100 umpamanya, berarti dia emerge dari bawah ya kan, advance yang nomor 1 tadi, gitu ya, muncul juga artinya, ya. Apakah saya harus pakai, sir? No, you don't have to use it. Tapi ketika ada vocab itu biar nggak bingung aja. Itu gunanya guys, ya. When we read something, when you listen to someone say advance, the advance of AI, the emerge of AI, biar nggak bingung aja maksudnya. Fingertips. Additionally, learning platform have emerged, enable kan sama kayak membolehkan kita, bisa dari kata enable, kata kerjanya bisa membolehkan kita atau memungkinkan apa? Education, flexible education, pendidikan yang lebih fleksibel. Kita bisa daring, luring, bisa sama tutor, bisa enggak juga bisa, ya kan? Bebas, pilihan belajar itu sekarang bebas ya guys ya. Alright, baca lagi. This flexibility accommodates different learning styles and schedules. Oke, fleksibilitas tahu tadi ya. Fleksibilitas ini mengakomodasi apa ya, menjadi tempat gitu ya, mengakomodasi different learning styles. Berbagai gaya belajar yang berbeda dan jadwal yang berbeda, guys. Kalau umpamanya saya mau belajar IELTS nih, kelas saya jam 3 nih, bisa nggak saya belajar jam 7? Bisa pakai YouTube, tapi pakai platform yang lain gitu ya, nggak dari guru itu gitu ya. Fleksibelnya maksudnya gitu. Right. We can arrange the time. Ya kalau gurunya bisa jam 7 ya tinggal di schedule aja, ya. Pokoknya di mana-mana bisa. I can learn about many things by YouTube, guys. Last night I learned about quantum physics and some Oppenheimer, atomic bomb, Albert Einstein, Niels Bohr, like that. Yeah. Right, quantum physics. And Maho, actually, the atomic bomb of America, yeah, that destroyed Hiroshima and Nagasaki. What is it for? I mean, the first target of America, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, right? Actually, that's not bomb for Japan, no. America made it for German, but German defeat before they use it. And Japanese army attacked the Pearl Harbor, so the president is angry, so use it to Japan. Use this bomb like that, actually. And that's made of uranium and air. I watched it last night about the technology of physical quantum physics. It's not physics, but quantum physics. Guys, if it's like mathematics, you can what is it? You can count it 1 + 1 = 2, right? Ilmu pasti kan? But in quantum physics bukan, nggak ada ilmu pasti di quantum physics. Makanya itu that's very difficult to make something like that. Quantum physics. I learned it last night. So they discuss about Japan too, like that. Understand? Ada subtitlenya kan? Japanese subtitle. When I speak Indonesia, imagine this is one Japanese subtitle using hiragana. Yeah, you have to imagine that. Yeah. This is from Zoro also, but the color only gray. Yeah, actually I'm the student of Zoro. And then what is it again? Apa lagi guys? Moreover. Is it moreover? Yeah, moreover ya. Moreover, technology fosters collaboration among students globally. Oke, moreover lebih jauh lagi kayak furthermore tadi, teknologi itu foster itu mendorong bisa, membina bisa, mendukung bisa. Foster itu macam-macam. Vocabnya satu vocab, one vocab you can use it for many things. Push, encourage, enhance, using foster. It's enough. That's enough. Foster is for everything. That's good, cool vocab sih. Fosters, right? Teknologi mendorong collaboration, kolaborasi among itu kalau diantara guys. Ini berarti HP ini among us. Di antara HP ini. Kalau di antara dua aja, right? Ihsan and me, berarti between. Ya, yeah, ini between Ihsan and me, right? Tapi kalau di antara banyak orang, among di antara. So the game-nya itu namanya Among Us, ya kan, imposter itu. Ya, yeah. Kalau yang main cuman berdua berarti between us gamenya. Kalau mamanya gamenya between us, ya kalau saya nggak imposter berarti kamu dong. Ya. Gampang aja nebaknya ya, nggak jadi game. What is it again? Foster collaboration among students globally, secara global ya. Lebih jauh lagi, teknologi mendorong kolaborasi antara siswa secara global, right? Okay, through virtual classrooms. Ayo baca guys. Through virtual classrooms, right? And then students can engage with peers from different cultures. Melalui classroom yang virtual itu simulasi dunia nyata ya guys ya. Kalau dengar virtual simulasi dunia nyata, simulasi doang tapi kelas yang kayak Zoom gitu ya, virtual classrooms. Student can engage is terlibat with peers. Peers itu teman prakteknya aja, right? When we speak together, we have peers, right? Peers from different culture. Jadi teman-teman sebaya, teman-teman praktek dari berbagai budaya. Okay. And then furthermore, masih banyak. Read it, guys. Furthermore, educators can utilize various tools, right, to enhance their teaching methods. Furthermore, selain itu, right, educators is teacher, right, can utilize sama kayak harness, sama kayak use saja, memanfaatkan various tools, berbagai macam alat to enhance like posters, right, enhance their teaching method, untuk meningkatkan metode pengajarannya. Sometimes they use the online, the offline, what is it, like teknologi ini apa namanya, screen apa, layar itu apa namanya, projector, they use internet, they use YouTube, something like that, yeah. It can be very, what is it, bisa bermacam-macam guys. Selain itu, pendidik dapat menggunakan berbagai alat untuk meningkatkan metode pengajaran mereka. Alright, so next, interactive simulation and multimedia presentations enrich the learning experience. Interactive simulation, what is it? Simulasi yang interaktif, saling ada ngobrolnya gitu. And multimedia presentation, presentasi multimedia ya kayak proyektor tadi. Can enrich ya, memperkaya the learning experience, pengalaman belajar, biar nggak monoton, gitu-gitu aja ya, biar nggak gitu-gitu aja. Alright, and then the next, however, sangat bahasa Inggrisnya apa guys? Sangat. Ferry is kapal penyeberangan. Sangat is very. Yes. Kalau ferry kapal penyeberangan. Very, very beda ya kan? Very. Oke, so bacanya ini gimana? Kok lepas sih guys? What is it? Mana sih tadi? However, iya berarti however ya, bukan however. However, right? It is crucial to address the digital divide that exists among students. However, bagaimanapun atau namun ya, it can be but like something like but. It is crucial. Crucial itu penting yang mendesak, guys. Penting yang mendesak, crucial. Penting yang berdampak, significant. Penting yang mendasar, essential. Yeah, for example, this is very important for me, but my food is essential. Lebih penting dari ini, makanan my food, right? Kalau kesehatan saya itu vital, vital, vital. Kalau kesehatan kita semua itu paramount, guys. Vocab yang paling tinggi penting paramount, ya. Paramount like that, ya. Yeah? And then what is it again? Kalau ini apa tadi? Pentingnya mendesak. Tapi kalau mendesak banget kayak ada orang kecelakaan segala macam itu critical, crucial, critical, imperative. Itu berarti langsung harus, gitu ya. Ya itu perbedaan. Mamanya dapat vocab imperatif berarti langsung harus cepat-cepat nih. Kayak mau ada tsunami gitu ya. Imperative dia. Pentingnya imperative. Critical. Kalau critical masih kayak orang sakit aja gitu. Kalau mau ada bencana imperative. Makanya kita jarang lihat vocab imperative karena jarang dipakai. Paramount juga jarang dipakai karena nggak sembarangan kalau orang ngomong paramount. Hey, kamu sekolah it is very paramount. No, sekolah bukan paramount. It's like important, right? Belum nggak terlalu banget itu. Paramount, yeah. So pakai paramount di saat yang tepat aja, guys. What is it again? The next? Yeah. It's crucial to address untuk mengatasi. Mengatasi bukannya ini guys ya, solve a problem, right? Solving a problem. Address itu kayak membahas dengan serius, guys. Mengatasinya itu dengan cara membahas dengan serius. The digital divide yaitu gap ini ya. Divide itu kan pembagian ya atau gap gitu aja ya. Digital gap. That exists among students. Penting untuk mengatasi kesenjangan digital yang ada di antara siswa. For example, like in Papua, guys, of course the internet connection is not really good as we have right now in Pare, right? So in Jakarta, makanya harus cepat diratakan gitu, harus merata, biar hubungannya lancar, pendidikannya bisa cepat lancar gitu lah, pendidikannya. Oke. Mereka juga bisa ngejar ketertinggalannya. Kita bisa ngerti ini, mereka juga bisa ngerti dengan cepat ya kalau internetnya juga bagus ya. And then the next, what is it? Not all students, read it, have equal access to technology. Okay, which can hinder their education. Okay, not all students, gak semua siswa have equal access, punya akses yang equal, yang sama to technology, kepada teknologi, which can hinder is menghambat, make it slow, right? Hinder is make it slow, not fast, ya, hinder, okay guys, hinder their education, ya, dapat menghambat pendidikan mereka. Okay, wherever you don't understand the vocabs, yeah, which one is it? Yeah, tell me, yeah, I will explain it by English. If you find difficult vocabulary, yeah, great. And then ultimately same as finally, but it's more formal. Lebih formal dari finally, right? The impact of technology on education is significant. Significant penting yang apa? Berdampak. Guys ya, offering both opportunities and challenges. Okay, ultimately pada akhirnya the impact of technology, dampak teknologi on education, pendidikan itu adalah penting yang akan berdampak. Teknologi penting yang berdampak, gitu guys ya. Kalau essentialnya itu ya listriknya mungkin essential. The electric essential for internet connection. The modem. Tapi kalau teknologinya ya significance. Kita pakai vocab significant, penting yang berdampak. Offering both opportunities, menawarkan baik itu peluang and challenges, dan juga tantangan. Dikasih peluang juga dikasih tantangan. Loh kok di tantangan emang ada minusnya ya sir? Ya banyak ya minusnya internet, right? For example like online game for the kids, that's wasting their times. Saya pernah dengar juga Cocomelon itu juga nggak bagus buat anak-anak karena eh, saya dengar beritanya tapi nggak sampai nggak klik gitu loh. Cocomelon itu memang didesain bagaimana anak-anak biar nonton dia terus. Iya, same as, huh? Ya, memang diatur biar addicted. Sehingga anak-anak kalau mamanya nggak dikasih Cocomelon bisa nangis. Padahal Cocomelonnya tidak seperti dunia nyata. Ya, tapi bagusnya ada sih, ada bagusnya mereka bisa familiar sama bahasa Inggris kan, Cocomelon. Ya, biasanya begitu guys. Apa namanya, for the business like that. Mondelez dulunya Kraft, perusahaan namanya Kraft yang bikin Oreo. Dia kan juga punya pabrik rokok tuh. Nah, dia menciptakan biskuit-biskuit yang kita makan satu nggak bakalan puas. Makanya kalian beli Oreo nih ya, makan satu aja. Pasti, aduh kok cuma satu. Alright. Kayak nagih. Iya. Itu mindsetnya Mondelez and Cocomelon like that. Something like that. That's a business, guys. Alright. Terus, what is it? Habis ya? Ini nanti ada Q&A samples, guys ya. Q&A samples itu bisa buat ngobrol, alright? So, apakah harus sesuai dengan tulisannya? No, you can use your own what is it, answer, it's okay. Kalau bingung ya boleh nyontek dikit, nggak apa-apa, it's okay. Mau ngobrol dulu tentang yang lain, it's okay, no problem. It's just for your helping, in order not to be stuck, biar teman-teman ngobrolnya tidak stuck, tidak berhenti ngomong. Karena kita punya peraturan yang itu guys, yang tengah. You cannot stuck for 3 seconds, right? Nggak boleh stuck lebih dari 3 detik. Kalau bilang sama juga nggak boleh, understand? I want to tell you about no, change it to something else, like well, yeah, alright, wait, oh my god. It's better guys if I speak like this. I want to tell you, well, what is that? Yeah, about the impacts of education. Yeah. Daripada I wanna tell you about that's not good. Alright, everyone will say that your English is bad. Because we use many we can change it actually. I know that you are confused. Sometimes we are confused here when we want to speak something, right? Change it to, well, I wanna, alright, well, yeah, Japan is good. Yeah, I know about One Piece. I watch One Piece, and right, I like, who's that? Yeah, Zoro. Yeah, I know Zoro so much because he's the sword warrior. Gitu guys. I wanna tell you about One Piece. No, that's not good. Right? Change it, and then if you're confused, guys, just ask me before 3 seconds. Because if you do that, your friend will give you the powder. Alright, gitu. Dicoret. And it's not dangerous, guys. It's not a punishment. Ini bukan hukuman. It's just the stimulant for your brain to think faster. It's not dangerous. It's fragrance. Harum. Apa bahasa Jepangnya? Harum, guys. Harum. Fragrance. Don't worry. Sometimes you're afraid of powder ya. Kadang-kadang kita takut sama bedak ya. Padahal ini kan harum. Kenapa takut? Alright. Just for your stimulant. When your friend give you you say alright. Gitu. Biar gitu otak kita lebih cepat aja gitu guys ya. Understand? Alright. Okay, wait. Okay. You with you, you with you, you with them. Right. Ya, bertiga. Mana? Ini berdua. Itu nanti saya kirimin sampai 50 ya guys ya. Nanti kan sampai 5 ya? Ya. Sampai 5 bukan? Jumlahnya Q&A samples-nya how many? 5 ya? I'll give you until 50. Ya, ngobrol dulu aja, ngobrol. Right.